covered the other torpedo?
Yeah, torpedo.
Oh, okay then, so here we go again.
Keeping you busy, isn't it?
Getting my exercise in for the week.
They both fire?
Yeah, they did, but at different times.
Oh, right. Yeah, normally they fly together, obviously. Apparently they're firing times at once, but here we go. I might ask why he doesn't fire when he's underway, but there's some different pressure coming in. Let's keep the torpedo in. There it goes. Firing one. Oh, look at this. Look at that. I think you're scoring well.
Yeah, isn't it? If you don't come five boats.
That one actually course corrected. Have you added some technology to these things?
Technology? Technology?
I home in on the target.
Coming up then?
Yeah, I'm going to try an underwater one.
Oh yeah, we're going to dive and try it. See if this will work this time. So the submarine is submerging. Well, there's a shot for you on the bow. Here we go. Here we go.
Speak to you later.
Having a turn, as you can see, just turning underwater now. Lined up now. Is he going to fire? Or is he going to rag?
He's going to rag. I lost signal, I have to come round again.
Yeah, back around again. That's the range. This submarine model is a 1/35th scale plastic kit that you won't buy. Obviously, it's got all the electronics inside it, but it just shows what can be done.
I have to make
Most of these plastic kits can be motorised these days.
I'm going to have to retrieve the torpedo.
And it's a good way of getting into the hobby.
Got this one as well, mate.
You don't have to build the boat in the first place, just put it together like an air-fix kit. But of course they are quite complicated.
So is the torpedo running when you actually put it in? Oh, I see. And so it's just literally released.
Yeah.
And it's a little brushed motor.
Yeah. With a very, very tiny battery in it.
Transferring water from there.
Okay, where's the other? Oh, right,
there goes.
And it also gives you plenty of exercise.
Yeah, so I see.
The Corvette is one way off this time. I don't know whether we can reach. The Martin's going to drive the boat submarine just a little bit closer. And we are nearly ready to fire. Keep an eye on it now. The torpedo is just left the tube, not running.
a bit low on power, I think.
Yeah, low on power for the torpedoes, so you can actually see the torpedo, which is still running, of course, but not got enough power to push it down the tube.
One more shot.
Yeah, we'll try one more. So, if it doesn't work, then the battery needs to be changed on the torpedo, which is not quite too short. Now we're lined up again. There we go. Torpedo running. Yeah. Oh. That's a miss. Well done. Well done, Corvette. Miss that one.
Turn to your left. Turn to your left. Yeah.
Take it off now. That'll be a good shot. There we go. There we go. There we go.
Martin's just going to show us the release mechanism for the doors.
There you go.
Brilliant. So on the torpedoes themselves, they are already running when you put them in.
Yeah, there's a reed switch in here, a little reed switch.
Yeah.
And so they're permanently on all the time.
Yes.
So when you put them into the tube, there are two magnets in there. One actually holds the back of the torpedo, so it holds it in the tube.
Yes.
And the other one holds the reed switch open.
Okay.
So when you push that with the servo, that pushes it past the magnets, and then they become running torpedoes. But the torpedo tube has to be open. It has to have free running water in it, otherwise the torpedo won't go.
Cool.
So then it runs permanently inside, and out they come. And of course they've got to be buoyant correctly, otherwise they won't look right. They'll be on the surface, whereas these are just below the surface, so they're very effective. So that's it.
Mystery revealed. So many people have been asking how it works. They can replicate it now.
Yeah, there you go. So that's it, really.
Thank you so much for that.
No worries.
Enjoyed it again.
That's all right.
Cheers.